Okay, it's videoing.
Bouncing a little bit with the road, but maybe this has a
Maybe lean forward and balance it on the dash. Gotta pay attention to the driving.
my drink.
Okay, let me have it.
You might have a thing that
Steadies it.
Yeah,
because that's not any better, is it? Sit up straight.
I actually do
Look at
better
the red
holding.
here. The red color in these. Wow. Each time you get tired, just push that white square.
Oh, no, I'm fine. Here, keep your hands at the wheel. Oh, there's somebody else taking a ride in the rain. Or else they live up here. Trees are gorgeous.
These oak trees up here losing their leaves.
Yeah. It's funny, the oaks are the last to drop and the last to come out, in spring.
How high is Castle Lake? I can't remember.
I'm not sure. Maybe they'll have a marker. Permits required for fire, barbecuing of any sort.
They don't wildfire outside now anymore.
Not since the drought.
Yeah. Oh, look how beautiful and lacy those leaves are. Those
trees.
Pine needles. Yeah.
I'm going to come over here to the side. Maybe I get a good view of the trees. So it's better this way. Oh, look at that pretty bush.
They're pretty, Never can remember the name of those.
Oh, they look so pretty. Everything looks so clean. It might be the dogwood.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you forget that it is dogwood when it's not blooming.
But yeah, I would think it would be dogwood because the dogwood tree by the parking is red. I wonder when I can plant my bulbs.
Well, you should plant them now or else you're going to have to wait till spring.
Well, they say after freeze, but...
Well, we've had our first freeze.
Have we?
Uh-huh. We've been down to 28. I had to chip ice off my car a couple of times.
Oh, they actually have a gate there to block this, huh? That's new. Well, new in the last 30 years.
Yeah.
Lisa sent me some pictures of Disneyland. It has changed in the last 30 years. Oh, I should be able to steep down there.
Don't want to roll off the edge.
Nope. That is a good drop. Yeah, I'll go back. So, oh, look at that rock. Don't want that to come down on you. And that's a long way down. Coming back, we might be able to get a picture of the town.
I wonder what you can see from Castle Lake. You know, it's been so long since I came up here.
Yeah.
I don't remember.
The road's in pretty good shape. I thought it would be a lot worse. If I recall correctly, someone donated a whole bunch of land up here for preservation of the forest.
Yeah, they donated a bunch of land to the Pacific Crest Trail that had been private property.
Mm-hmm. So I guess it would go from Castle Creeks all the way to all those other lakes and on up. You never realize how many lakes are up here because you never come up here. I think we should be getting there pretty soon. You think Castle Creeks is in the clouds?
Oh yeah, I don't think we can see it today.
Other than the lake. I was on the phone to Dish for 53 minutes and then they cut me off. I was trying to find out why the Animal Planet isn't on my guide. And if I hit 184, a lot of times it goes to 183 or 185.
Huh.
And then later it'll go to 184, so I don't know what's going on. So I was trying to find out. Oh, you should see the water down there.
Is that Siskiyou or is that Castle?
Oh, I don't know. It's just a water, like a creek.
Oh, okay.
Rushing. Well, there's another one right there.
Yeah.
Waterfall.
Oh, really?
Oh, you'll see it coming back down.
Now I'll see it right now. Let's see. Right here?
Yep. There it is, rushing down the hill. It's coming down pretty good.
Great.
It might undermine the road, though.
Well, no, there's a drain.
There's a
there.
drain. Yeah, there's a drain there.
There's a drain
Interesting.
there. See, I don't want to go down in the creek.
Somebody must have had an accident. There's part of a car right there.
Oh,
Ooh. You've got water rushing through the...
yeah. Well, then that means that over here there must be. Try to look over here where it's coming from.
Wow, is that angry?
Oh, hand it to me. Can you see?
Yeah, I see it. And I can hear it, too. Is that coming from the lake?
No, it's runoff from the top of the mountain, I imagine. Look how gorgeous that is.
That is beautiful. Okay, maybe we'll see some
There's
more.
somebody behind me.
Sorry. They're probably being a damn tourist.
Oh, they stopped at the same spot. They're looking.
looking to see what you were looking at.
Well, I don't even have my lights on. I should have them on. Okay.
Your lights don't automatically come on?
I haven't. No, I don't know how to set that, so I haven't done it.
Down to a little drizzle. Got another car that's going to have to come in. We're pretty much getting near the top, I think.
Yeah, I think so too.
I thought I'd better move over a little bit. I was getting a lot of the big drops on your window. Oh, yeah, maybe this is. What is that?
Methodist camp.
Methodists have a camp up here?
They're not the only ones. There's some others too. In various places in these hills.
I thought you weren't allowed to buy any of the national forest.
Well, some of this is private land. It's
Oh,
not national forest.
Not all of it, huh?
And some of it is kind of grandfathered in.
Well, I hope that they're very fire conscious.
We're still climbing.
Yeah. But we're coming on the other side. I think we're pretty close to the top. The road's at least maintained very well.
Well, I think they redid this road and the road to Gumboot Lake a year or two ago. And of course, it's been COVID. Nobody's come up here.
Yeah. Well, I understand. So last time we went up to the Gumboot boot or whatever, that they did some work up there.
Yeah. I was thinking of going to Gumboot today, but I thought about those tight curves and those steep drops, and I thought, no,
and not today.
Not while it was raining so heavily.
Well, we haven't been this way, and for me, it's been a long time.
Well, yeah, for me, it's been, I don't know, 6 or 8 years.
Yeah, I think we're
Look
at the
top.
top.
Yeah, look, we're up in the clouds now, just about.
Oh, wait, you can see the lake. I know it's here somewhere.
Look at all this manzanita. I don't like the sight of manzanita.
No, I prefer the pines.
Yeah. It just means to me too that Manzanito means like the end of the forest, but it's more drought tolerant, so it push out the pines and survive better.
Well, hopefully with this rain, the pines are going to be just fine. Oh, looks like a little rocking dam.
Jesus, where's the lake?
You sure there's a lake up here? I know there's a lake somewhere. They haven't changed the road in the last 30 years, have they?
It said 7 miles, but it feels to me like we've come farther than 7 miles.
Or about like
Well,
14.
here we are. There's the campground.
Castle Lake Campground. It's closed.
We must be getting somewhere. Castle Lake Days area. Okay, here we go. Never getting a little more. Well, we're in the clouds. That's right.
Oh, I like being in the clouds.
Fire.
Road ends 500 feet.
I guess we're at the lake. We're also in the clouds.
Yeah. Outhouses. Ah, there it is. Can't see the lake for the clouds. But there it is. There's the lake. Should I put the window down? Put my window down.
Sorry.
Boat ramp, do not park. Well, I don't know. That's a pretty steep boat ramp. It's really, the wind is really blowing.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. And it crashes up on that rock over there. It splashes. Boy, the wind is strong up here. You can't even see the other side of the lake. As I recall, this lake isn't that big, is it? Do you hear the wind rushing?
Press the red button.